Hi class, in this week's Read It Aloud, You Can Do It, Curious George, the little monkey is faced with lots of challenges. He wants to find something that he is really, really good at, and he strikes out many times. He tries to be a cook, and that doesn't work out. He tries to ski, and that doesn't work out for him. All while he was facing those challenges, he spoke to himself in a positive way. He said things like, "You can do it, Curious George," or "I can do this, I can find something that I'm good at." So he spoke to himself with positive messages. Sometimes when we're having challenges or we're having a rough day, we find ourselves that we're saying maybe things that aren't very kind to ourselves. So for today's journal entry, I want you to make a list of at least 3 positive things that you can say to yourself when you are having a bad day or when you are facing a challenge. I have an example of this. Right now, my little twins are trying to learn how to ride their bike. One of them has no problems at all riding his bike. He can go when he's just fine. The other little boy, it kind of makes him nervous, and he does not like it when he falls. So on the first day, he'd say, "I can't do this, I can't do this." And guess what? He would crash and he'd cry. But then he found out that if he said "inner peace," like Po the panda on Kung Fu Panda, that he could calm himself and he could focus. And guess what? He really improved riding his bike. So if Tate were to be writing a list, at the top of his list would be inner peace. But again, I want you to have 3 positive messages that you can say to yourself when you're facing a challenge. Have a good day.